Friends, there was a time when we used to spend hours in Microsoft Excel to create a dashboard. Presenting data was a very time consuming task. But now things have changed. You can create an amazing dashboard with just a single prompt. In today's video, we are going to create such a dashboard, and for that, we will use Claude AI. First of all, go to the Claude website. Here, I already have an Excel file that contains some data, and I have saved it on my desktop. Now, I will upload this file. You can also easily upload your file into Claude. After uploading the file, I have written a prompt. You can read this prompt where I have said create a sales dashboard using the following dataset with columns order ID, date, customer name, region, product category, and so on. The dashboard should include a KPI section, bar chart, pie chart, and other visualization. As soon as you press enter, Claude starts working. It may take a little time. It took around 1 minute for me. And here you go. Our dashboard is completely ready. You can check it. You can download this dashboard as an HTML file. I have also downloaded it in HTML format. It is fully functional and you can see how beautifully the charts are created. At the top, you can see total sales, total orders, average order value, and you can see right over there bar graph, pie chart, sales by category, sales by region, and so on. In addition, in addition, you can also see top products by sales, top 5 customers by total sales. All this data is presented in a very beautiful and interactive dashboard. Just imagine the work that used to take hours or even days can now be done in just a few minutes. If you liked this video, like the video, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends. Thanks for watching.